Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your username on Threads. Stick around till the very end to follow all the steps and update your profile effortlessly. So let's dive in. Start by opening the Threads app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. Next, click on profile icon at the bottom right corner to access your profile, and once you're on your profile, you will see your username displayed under your name. Now click on Edit Profile button, and here you will notice your username listed next to your name. And if you try to edit it, Threads will inform you that your username is linked to your Instagram account and cannot be changed directly within Threads. Now, in order to change your username, go to Instagram and then click on Profile icon to go to your profile page. Next, click on Edit Profile icon, and here you can see the username field. Now, what you have to do is enter your desired username, ensuring that it's unique and meets Instagram guidelines. And once you have made your changes, click on Done or Save. Your updated username will automatically sync to Threads since the two apps are linked. Remember, you cannot have different username for Instagram and Threads. So that's all for today's video. Leave a comment and let us know if this is helpful. Thanks for watching.